When it's time to empty your Cyclone Rake collector, here is how to lift it the right way so you protect your side tubes. You should never lift up the collector from the side tubes. They're designed for support, not for lifting. Instead, always lift from the corner of the collector frame near the hinge bracket. That's the strongest point. We know a full collector can get heavy, especially when the leaves are wet. Here are two solutions. First, try not to fill it completely. Or, you can make it easier with an assist from the Power Lift Unloader attachment. Lifting the collector properly will keep your Cyclone Rake in great shape and your cleanup easy every time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at 888-531-7253, or even better, you can schedule a time for us to contact you. Just visit cyclonerake.com/contact us.